Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a easy, tasty chocolate brownie in the microwave. Does it look great? Let's look at the ingredients first. You need 2 eggs, and you need a pinch of salt, and you need a teaspoon of baking soda. You need a cup of sugar and a cup of flour, half cup of cocoa powder, half cup of butter, and some vanilla extract. My mummy used this cup to measure. Okay, let's start. Take a bowl and sieve the flour. And next, the cocoa powder. Next, the baking powder. Now add the sugar and mix, mix, mix. It's all the dry ingredients. Now the wet ingredients. Now take the melted butter. Add the eggs one by one. Now whisk, whisk, whisk. Now add the wet ingredients to dry ingredients. Little by little and mix. tablespoon of vanilla extract. Take a microwave tray and spray with butter. Spread the batter on the tray. Mummy said I'm too small to put this in the microwave. I love chocolate brownies with ice cream. It's my mummy's easy recipe. So tasty. You should try it too. It's ready! Dust with icing sugar. Drizzle with chocolate sauce. It's so yummy. Please subscribe to this channel for more yummy recipes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you.